Good afternoon. Myself Paritosh Tyagi. I have graduated from Galgotia's College of Engineering and I come here in CRT to give my interview in Krishna Maruti, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The company's background need no introduction. I have already studied a lot on internet about the company and here
Hi everyone, my name is Vishakha. I'm a student of LLB course, 6th semester. So telling about my college and talking about it, the 3 years that I have spent over here have been the best years of my life. The teachers over here are undoubtedly supportive and cooperative and friendly. I think adjective would be less to describe them, how they have been throughout. And the faculty is amazing, and about also the kind of infrastructure that this college has, it's really been amazing. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this college a lot.